Hello and welcome. This is a special feature by ESG.social, and I am going to show you how you can make $100 just within a week. We have brought you this amazing app you might have heard of, but they're currently running a special referral program, and we have worked with their special referral program in such a way that all you need to do is sign up and run the application for a week and request for payout after a week. So let's get into it right away. On your screen, you're seeing a new browser tab. All you need to do is go to ESG on social, esg.social. And on the front page, the first article you see, new earning app, sign up and get $100. Just click on the app so you have all the step-by-step instructions handy, right? Just scroll down here and you will see click on this link. So click on this link here, right? This is the first step. You're going to see the Honeygain app. And as I have mentioned here, what does Honeygain app do for you? It sits on your computer and uses your bandwidth in very small portion, and it pays you for using that bandwidth. But that is not how we are going to earn through this app, because the earnings through that way are really low. Currently, this app, Honeygain website, is offering $5 for every referral till 31st October. Now, what we have done is, as soon as this page opens, all you need to do is you need to click on register to claim. You can do this on computer, you can do this on your phone. I'm showing you on computer just for the convenience. So type in your email address, type in your password, and you will see the sign up button here. You can also use sign up with Facebook or sign up with Google. So just for the testing purposes, I'm going to use one of my email accounts and sign up, right? So I signed up here. This app is going to take me to the dashboard. Now on the dashboard, all we need to do is come down here. You will be on overview tab. Come down here. You will see your referral link. Copy this link. Click on the copy button and go to the instructions page once again, right? We are done through all these steps just in less than a couple of minutes. And now we have to go to step 5. So go to this page. All it is going to do is it is going to open esg.social's contact us page. So type in your name here, type in your email, in the subject line, paste the referral link that you copied. Now go back to Honeygain, make sure that you have copied the entire link and not just a part of it, and the correct link has got pasted here. Type in your message. Type in your message, you're going to add. So let's go back here. It says type confirm, right? So I'm going to type confirm here. Let me just fill in my name and let me fill in my email address, right? And then I'm going to click on submit. As soon as you submit, you are going to get a confirmation code saying thank you for submitting your message. It will just pop up and go. That means your message has reached us. So that is all you need to do. After that, you need to go and download the app here and keep it on your phone or keep it on your computer for a while. It will just show you this animation and it will start earning you money, right? So what would have happened now since I signed up? See, they have already credited $5 in my new account. So in my older account, using the referral link that I used to sign up, I would have got $5 payout, right? Because it is my referral. And what is going to happen here, right? Let's check what is going to happen. So we have configured our program in such a way that when you enter your email address on this page, your name on this page, what we do here is we check that a new referral has been added in our account, but you being the new referral, you also need to add some referrals in your account so your earnings can be increased. And if you just put out your referral link, there might be some people who will sign up, there might not be some people sign up. But instead of that, what you're going to do is share the link for this article, right? So that the link for this article, you're going to copy that link from here, copy this link and share it on your social media. So you can use the social media buttons here. There are some social media buttons here. You can use any of them and share it on your Facebook, share it on your WhatsApp, share it on your Twitter, wherever you want. Everywhere, uh, share this link, um, and we will do rest of the job. We will do job of adding referrals to your account, right? For every link that you share, we are going to add 10 referrals to your account. So you share this link on social media, say you share it on Twitter once, we are going to add 10 referrals to your account. You share it twice, say once you have shared on Twitter, next time you share it on WhatsApp, we are going to add another 10 referrals on your account. And that's it. There are your $100. After just 1 week, you just need to let this app sit on your phone for 1 week. And after 1 week, you can simply go to the payout section and withdraw all your money. You can use PayPal, you can use any country's PayPal and withdraw. They do not have any restrictions. You can be from any country, you can sit anywhere in the world and do this. I hope you like this feature. This is super quick. Important part is this will work only till 31st October. And if you sign up today, the earlier you sign up, the more referrals we will be able to add to your account. If you sign up on 31st October and say, hey, where is my $100? We might be able to help you, might not be able to help you. So sign up right now and get your $100 even before 31st October. That is all for now. We will meet in another video. Till then, have a good time and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this YouTube video also and make it go viral. Let your friends, let your family, give them an opportunity to earn $100. Thank you. Have a good time.